What happens when I cough? What he said. Coughing is a brilliant defense mechanism that your body has to help you get rid of unwanted substances in your airway. Now, when something tickles your throat or your airways, receptors there signal to your brain that it's time to cough, and then your brain has to do two things. The first thing it does is close your throat so that air can't get up. Then it contracts your muscles in your abdomen so that pressure builds in your chest, and then when you open your throat, the air comes out in one firm blast, and that dislodges whatever was making your throat tickle. If you've got a tickly cough, then stay hydrated and get some rest, and it'll probably clear up on its own. But if it persists and it's really bothering you, you might want to speak to a doctor.